Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing an Amazon wig review. This here is from Nicey's Hair. This is a cherry red burgundy in 13x4 lace front wig. The hair was $175. The hair is out of my comfort zone because it is colored. I usually go for blonde or black or brown, and this was like right right. It was out of my comfort zone, but I really liked it in the end. So this is how it's looking. It is an 18 inch, which was just $175. The wig, it was I think it's 150 density. So this is how it looks. It's already come pre-plucked. I'm going ahead to match the lace with my skin. As you can see, the lace is a little bit thick, but once you just add your makeup and add your glue, or if you're going to use the got-to-be spray, it comes out flawless and stuff. It comes with 4 combs, 2 at the side and one in the front and one in the back. And then it comes with straps where if the wig is too tight, you can just too big, you can just adjust it as you want. And as you can see, it already come pre-plucked. So yes, so this is how the hair is looking. I'm just showing you guys. There was no shedding. And I'm just going ahead just showing you guys exactly how it looks. Like if I like was supposed to buy this again, maybe I would buy it again, but I think the lace was a little bit thick from like the it was thicker than the laces that I normally receive from like wig makers and stuff. So I wasn't like, I did like just turn it into a bang and stuff, so I didn't have to really show the lace. So as I said, so this is how it looks, and you can see that the knots are not really big or really visible. And then this one was the hair that you guys are going crazy over. That was the Bios hair. I really love that hair. I had that hair for like a month and stuff, and it's still going strong. So now I'm gonna just get some alcohol and then remove the excess glue that's at the front of my head. I look so tired, guys. It's been a rough week. So now I'm gonna just try on the hair so you guys can see it before I cut the lace and everything. So this is how it's looking. Yeah. Tell me if you guys like it down in the comment section. If you guys think I should do more experiments with different color hair. I know that I'm thinking about doing like a colored try dyeing one of my hair in a Jamaican color, because Jamaican independence is coming up soon and I want to do that. I think that would be very interesting if I get a wig that come out like a Jamaican color wig, you know. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm just cutting the lace. You can see the lace is very thick and I do not really like that. I don't like that. It doesn't blend in, you know. And then I'm cutting too much off the lace, as you can see. So I'll fix that at the end. Yeah. I think because the lace is so white, or maybe because it's not bleached and I'm used to laces or lace that are bleached, you know. So, okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off and wash the hair. So this is how it looks. I washed it. You see the hair, the color is still in the hair. It did run a little bit while I was washing it, like they just dyed the hair before they send it to me or something, I don't know. But the it was so much red in the bathroom. So right here I'm just showing you guys, and I'm gonna just put it on and do a little bang. But as I was saying, do you guys think I should experiment with different color hair? And just stick to the black, brown and blonde. Oh, and if you guys are not subscribed, you guys make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 4,000 subscriber, and once I hit 4,000 subscriber, I will be doing a giveaway. And you guys can go ahead and follow me on Facebook at IamjustGeorgiak. You guys can go ahead and you guys can just type that in Facebook, and you'll see me pop up. I do have a group and I have a page, so you guys can follow me on that. I guess I'm done with Instagram now because I'm tired of making accounts and they just keep disabling those accounts. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my bang to how I want it. I don't really wear bangs, but for this wig I'm going to be doing a bang because I don't really like the lace.
I don't want to mess up this hair.
And I don't have any time to bleach the lace, so that's why I'm doing this, to save some time. And it's actually a different look. I don't really wear colored hair and I don't really wear bangs, so this is just getting out of my comfort zone a little bit. And how do you guys like your bang? Do you guys like it like a long bang, or you guys like it just a little bit above your eyebrows, or you guys like it below your eyebrows? I know some people like their bangs above their eyebrows, but I like it like this, or a little teeny bit shorter. Yes. Because sometimes I like to just put it to the side instead of having it in my face, because I don't really like a lot of hair in my face. Like, why are you hiding the beauty? Don't hide the beauty. Okay. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna just go ahead and just cut it a little bit more to shape it up, make sure everything is even, and then after I do that I'm going to tie it down. Okay. Okay, so now that I got the cuts that I want, I'm gonna just add some mousse to my hair to make sure that everything is set, so everything just come out so like good once it's finished, once it's dried. There's no flyaways or anything like that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all, I know I'm talking in this video, but listen, I put it on mute. You guys already know that. Always saying the obvious. Okay, so now I'm just going ahead and putting the mousse to make sure that I don't have any flyaways and everything is like all neat and everything like that. Then I'm gonna tie it down, let it dry, and come back and let you guys see the end result. So, do you guys like it though? I think the red kind of looked good on my skin complexion. I don't know. What do you guys think? Because red is kind of one of my favorite colors. Red, I like yellow and orange and blue. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down. After I finish tying it down, I'm gonna just let it dry and set so I don't have any flyaways. Come back and show you guys the end result. Make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, comment down below, comment to tell me if you guys like colored hair or you guys like to stay neutral, where you like black or brown or blonde. Okay, so now that my hair is dried, so this
Okay
is how
guys,
it's
so this
looking.
is how it's looking. The bang, I really like it, although I don't really wear bang that much, but this is how it's looking. I let it air dry, so you see it's a little bit curly. Yeah, so I'm gonna just turn so you guys can see the back, and this is an 18-inch. So this is how it look. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, comment down below, and share the video. I appreciate you guys for following me, and I appreciate everyone that comments on the video and watch the video, even if you don't comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.